Hey, tired of buying expensive 18650 batteries for your Phoenix headlamp or whatever fancy ass headlamp you got? Well, then you buy the cheap ones in bulk and they don't fit, they don't work. Well, easy fix. Head on over to Lion, Liion, wholesale.com. I'm not getting a dime from them. And tell me you want these things, those spacers. Anyway, I'll put the description below. Smash that like button, whatever. Okay, but you take one of these bad boys and you drop it down in there, or you put it on top on the positive side. Yeah, and then and now we'll make contact. Boom. Save you lots of cash and money.